Hi everyone and welcome back to HomeHeadChef. Today we'll be making a Southwestern Frittata. A frittata is an Italian style egg dish. It's similar to an omelet or a crustless quiche of sorts. You can load them with many different flavors and ingredients that you like. We're going to be going Southwestern today. We're going to have green chilies and ham and garlic and onions. So let's step up to the cutting board and see what we need. We're going to start off by preheating the oven to 400 degrees. And for the frittata, we are going to need 4 eggs, a fourth a cup of heavy cream, a fourth a cup of diced onions, half a teaspoon of garlic minced, a fourth a cup of ham diced, 2 ounces of green chili, and 1 cup of Colby Jack cheese. We're going to start by scrambling our eggs, and once they're completely mixed together, we're going to add in our heavy cream as well, and we're going to get that combined. In a medium-sized pan, we're going to heat up a few tablespoons of olive oil. The oil is nice and hot. We're going to saute our onions for about a minute or two until they become translucent. Now the green chilies, we're going to give that maybe about 30 seconds. Now our garlic, we're going to go about another 30 seconds on that as well. And with our ham, we're just going to reheat this and then directly in with our eggs. We're going to give this about a minute to start to set up. Okay, it's starting to set. We're going to go around, pull it a little bit away from the sides, and get those eggs that aren't set down in there to start cooking as well. I'll do that a couple times. And give it a little swirl. And we're going to place this into our 400 degree oven for about 7 minutes. Okay, just about done. That's what we're looking for. The top is just set. I'm going to give this a little shake, break it away, so that way it comes out easily. Now we're going to top it with our cheese. We're going to go back in the oven for about another minute or two until the cheese is nice and melted. All right, it's done. Now we're going to slide it out of our pan onto our cutting board, and we're going to plate this up. Now there's many different ways to plate a frittata. I'm going to go simple. We're going to cut this into 4. We have our plate. Take it, go dead center of our plate. We're going to add, since this is Southwestern, we're going to add some salsa on it. A little dollop of sour cream, just like that. And for me, some green onions. That looks great. Now let's get a taste. And that is how we make a Southwestern frittata. Let's get a bite. A little bit of the salsa, the sour cream, the green onions, the frittata. Ooh, that's tasty. The bottom of the frittata is nice and crispy. The cheese is gooey. There's so much flavor within the eggs from the ham, the green peppers, the garlic, the onions. The salsa just brings it all together. The sour cream adds a nice undertone of creaminess and lightens it. The onions just add a pop of flavor. I hope you enjoyed this recipe. If so, hit that thumbs up button. If you're new to the channel, subscribe. Don't forget to check out our Patreon account. I'll drop a link in the description below if you want to help support the channel. I also have an outdoor channel. I'll drop a link in the description as well if you want to check that out. Thank you guys. We'll see you next time.